As they enter retirement, many seniors feel comfortable with the amount of equity they've built up over their working years. They think that the steady income they'll receive from their Social Security payments, coupled with the funds from their IRA or 401k, will be enough to fund their retirement. But what if something unexpected happens, like a medical emergency or an accidental injury that causes you to need extra cash? A reverse mortgage can provide the additional cash you need without drawing on your other sources of income by accessing the value tied up in your home. By setting up a reverse mortgage in advance before an emergency arises, you'll always have additional cash on hand to draw on. You can use it whenever you might need it, even if it's to just make life in retirement a bit more comfortable. A reverse mortgage is a great way to make the value tied up in your home work for you without waiting to sell it, and you still retain ownership. Find out how you can use a reverse mortgage to help build a more secure financial future. Call us today